All right, so we got a light video today, guys. You're gonna be laughing your ass off in this video, man. At least I was. So there's a teacher that got fired recently, or is suspended at least, for letting students braid his hair. Now, what do you guys think about this? Is this a big deal? It's not a big deal to you? I don't know. I don't really care. I thought it was dumb, but it's funny as hell. So let's get into it before we get too far into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you like the video. If you guys want to support the channel, all the ways you can support are in the description below. Here we go. It's gonna be funny, boy.
Let's go ahead and stir the pot a little, shall we? Last Friday, 10 minutes before dismissal time, I decided to live stream my students helping me take my hair out. There was quite the discourse in the chat, which had people saying this was inappropriate and other people saying this was completely.
Yeah, sorry if you can't hear him. I'm gonna redo it again because I turned the volume back up.
Let's go ahead and stir the pot a little, shall we? Last Friday, 10 minutes before dismissal time, I decided to live stream my students helping me take my hair out. There was quite the discourse in the chat, which had people saying this was inappropriate and other people saying this was completely fine. There was nothing wrong with what I was doing, and people were just making it weird. So, of course, I had to bring this issue to the big stage. I would like to represent myself in this case, Your Honor, if I may. Number one, for a little context, I had a hair appointment immediately after school, and I needed my hair taken out beforehand. I would have taken it out the night before, but that Friday we had a camera crew coming in to shoot a promotional video, and I was one of the ones being interviewed. So I had to look presentable, so I didn't take my hair out. I didn't have the time to do it all myself because it would have taken me forever. So naturally, I asked about 4 or 5 of my over 100 best friends to assist me in taking my hair out.
Bro, first of all, who thinks about doing some shit like this? Like, what the hell? Why? Okay. I think what got him in trouble is the live stream, bro. Like, if you just would have never live streamed and kept it quiet and like let them braid your hair in silence, you would have been probably would have been okay. But like, then he calls these women, these young sixth graders, like your best friends. Like, what is this, bro? What is this?
Hair out, and they all agreed. Number two, this was at the end of class. This week we were doing STEM fair presentations. Since it was Friday and all of my students did an excellent job on their STEM fair projects and presentations, I told them if we get one solid presentation in this class, I'll end class a little early and they can have fun and play basketball, darts, or be on their phones or whatever. And during that time, my team would help me take my hair out. A couple of these were students from my class, but others were students from other classes. I would all of them a pass at the beginning of the class period, requesting their assistance 10 minutes before dismissal. I told the teachers only send them if all of their work was completed and they had good behavior. They all met the criteria, so 10 minutes before dismissal, they showed up for their job. My next point I'd like to make is if I was a female teacher, those people wouldn't be in the comments saying, oh, this is weird, this is inappropriate. Because me.
There might be some truth to that. If you was a female teacher, they probably wouldn't be tripping as much. But you're not, and they making a fool out of you. Look at this. Look at that stupid shit. They're bun.
Personally, I don't think there's anything weird about this. People saying, oh, that's too intimate. To me, it's literally just hair. It doesn't have to be weird. Some people have never had cool teachers, and it shows. I personally believe that building authentic relationships with students is paramount in being an effective teacher. I make sure my students know and can feel that I care about them beyond the schoolwork and all the stuff that I have to make them do. I take
Nah, bro. You can do all of that without them touching your hair. Usually, I'm gonna be real with you guys. Through my experience, when you have waves or you have curly hair, like when a woman touch your hair, that mean like she kind of like you a little bit. So I can see where they coming from when they say it's too intimate. But let me finish him talk. You got 7 more seconds.
the time to get to know my students outside of academics because caring for the whole child is what's important.
He one of them teachers that got he be texting them memes and stuff. Like he one of them teachers. So that's some weirdo stuff. Now here the funny part to me when he get to crying, bro. I don't know why this was so funny to me when he got to crying, bro. But It is what it is. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this. Is this something or is it nothing? I've never seen no stuff like this.
Message. How are
Let me go back. Let's go back. Let's let it talk.
The teacher who posted that video of him letting his female students take his braids down may have just lost his job. His name being Marquis White, he posted this video of himself earlier reading messages from his students who were concerned and were offering positive words of encouragement after he received backlash from the now viral clip.
Hey, bestie. I really hope that you see this message. How are you? I hope that you're okay.
Bruh. Oh, bro. My man going out sad, bruh. Come get this dude, man.
Our class misses you so much, and we really want you to know that we love you and we miss you so much and can't wait for you to come back.
Oh, bro. I'm an asshole, bro. I know I shouldn't be laughing. That shit funny though. Bro, first of all, hold on. He got a nose piercing. He like one of them hippie teachers, bro. He be too close to the students. It was at the Led Zeppelin shirt. Bruh, come on, man.
I can't believe that taking somebody's hair out is such a big deal, and it makes me so mad that people make little things big things. I want you to know that the class and others got your back, and we will always stand behind you and out for you no matter what happens. We got you. Again, we miss you, and we love you so much, and can't wait for you to come back. I wish that this never happened because it feels like we're losing you.
Word on the street is that he got fired or that his teacher's license got suspended. However, Mr. White has not confirmed any of those rumors. Be that as it may, many are debating on whether it was appropriate for this man to not only let his female students take his hair.
Let's be real, guys. Is he on that side of the fence? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Is he on that side of the fence, guys, or he just one of them like too intimate, too close teachers? What y'all think? What y'all think?
Down, but also posted online for millions to see. Now, you have some people who are commending the teacher and don't see what the issue is, as doing hair is a cultural bonding experience within the Black community. It shouldn't be sexualized or overly intimate, especially since it's 5 girls helping him and not just one. Also, this happened right before school ended when everybody had free time, and the girls were only allowed to come if they were done with all their work. On the other hand, you have critics saying it's a hell no for them, insisting that not only letting the students play in his hair is intimate, but also inappropriate and unprofessional. While I can't say that he deserves to be fired because I do think he meant well and that this really was supposed to be innocent, I don't necessarily think we should normalize this for men or women teachers because all it takes is the wrong person to use this as an example to get close to students or any minor in general to build a relationship with them that can turn into a harmful one later on. And while I do understand that the parents are aware of his TikTok, some even follow him, there is the matter of him using children for content and possibly getting paid for it. Assuming he's monetized on TikTok, which he definitely qualifies to be because he has nearly 700,000 followers now, he definitely made bank off of this video that now has 4 million views, and I wouldn't want a corrupt educator to get inspired by this, exploiting their students in the process so that way they can get the same results. But I really want to know y'all's opinions.
She's spitting facts. She was spitting facts right there. So yeah, you definitely don't want to normalize this for like other teachers. You definitely don't want to do that. And then he's using the students for like content. So like he's too free. Like there's not, I've never, this is the problem with the educational system, right? These teachers nowadays have no rules and regulations. They're just as free to do what they want as the kids are. Like How are you capable? How are you able to gain a following by doing a TikToks in your classroom? Like, I don't know. I don't know, but this is the end of it, guys. This shit was kind of funny too at the end. So let's see.
Controversy that has come from this video that I posted. I wanted to come on here and read some of the messages that my students are sending me during. Some of the messages that they've been sending me. During this time.
Bruh, come get this man. Bro, y'all come get this man. Come get y'all's teacher.
Hey, Bessie. I really hope that you see this message. How are you? I hope that you're okay. Controversy that has come.
Oh, bro. That's enough of that. That's enough of that, bro. Oh, man. So what y'all think about this video, man, as we get out of here? Do you think it's a big deal? Do you think he should get fired? Do you think he should get fired? Was this goofy? Like, is it too intimate? What do you guys think? You guys let me know in the comment section below. We finna get out of here, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.